Brian and Ken from RackATiers showing you some new products and giving you a couple of tips. We got a new product out. We've in our driver bit product line. We've had the Malco reversible 1/4 and 5/16 driver bit. Now we've added to that with the 3/8 and 5/16, the yellow blue. As Ken will show you here, we got 6-inch, 4-inch, and 2. Now that's a really handy thing. You'd love that if you were working on the tools again, Ken?
Yeah, very handy, especially they're used for machinery and a lot of your equipment. Of course, obviously you guys know they come with the hex screws. So saves having all the different types of sizes. So for the 2 bits, we end up having 4 different combinations.
Yeah, save a lot of space in the tool pouch, and when you pull it off, you can clean off all the dust and metal flakes that get on there, and then just reverse it. So it's a great little product.